Apparently, if you search my makeup type on TikTok, it will show you your perfect makeup look. And this is apparently mine. This is Toasty Makeup, and it's very much latte makeup coated, which I absolutely love. The skin is really fresh and natural, but the eyes are sultry. I'm gonna start off with skin prep. This Tier Milky Toner, and I'm just gonna press this into the skin. Since the eyes are very sultry, I'm gonna do the eyes first. For the eyes, I'm going to start off with Chestnut. This is from Makeup by Mario. Already prepped my eyes with some concealer. Now I'm just gonna place this all over my lid. And with a brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm obsessed with these eyeshadows because they're so easy to work with. So with shade Espresso, I'm gonna put this on the lash line. Same brush, I'm just gonna start blending that out. Look at how easy that blended out. It looks so flawless. Now I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and I'm just smudging that. Just going to curl the lashes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add lashes. I think I'm just gonna decide at the end. Adding some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I feel like one of the keys to this look is that the skin still looks like skin. So we're going to achieve that by underpainting. I'm going to use the new Natasha Denona liquid bronzer. I'm using shade Toasty Tan, and I'm just going to apply this in all of the areas that I bronze. You forget how pigmented these are. I definitely did not need to use this much. What I'm also gonna do is I'm going to apply the bronzer towards the center of the face so it looks like we're naturally sun-kissed, and we're of course going to contour the nose. I'm just going to use a tiny bit of my Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm just going to lightly apply some with my beauty blender. And I actually love using a sponge for complexion. It just gives you a really natural skin-like finish. For blush, I want it to be more on the neutral bronzy side. I'm gonna use the Wherever Walnut Artist Crayon. I'm just gonna start just kind of like applying this everywhere. And same thing as that bronzer placement, I'm gonna just drag this over the top of the nose. I'm going to conceal and brighten with this Stay Concealer. It has the perfect amount of coverage, but still very light. Now just using that blush brush again, and I'm just gonna start tapping around the edges. Set that concealer with this Laura Mercier powder. For the rest of the face, I'm gonna use the new Say Setting Powder. Just lightly tap this. I'm just setting with the Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray. Really emphasize the glow, I'm gonna use Glassy Cinnamon from House Labs. Apply this on top of all the blush. With this Freckle Pen off of Amazon, I'm just gonna apply some faux freckles. Okay, I want just a little bit more glow. This is the iconic London Rollaway Glow. With the Anastasia Brow Wiz, I'm going to just lightly fill in the brows. Just a little bit of Glossier Boy Brow. Going back to that black eye pencil, I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. I feel like Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever is just the perfect liner for this look. And then a little bit of Road Bend in the center. These are the new Kylie Cosmetics lip glaze. I'm actually obsessed with these. This is shade Coconut 2.0. All right, you guys, here is the final look. What do we think? Is this my makeup type?